Hi everybody, welcome to Cedar Creek RC. John here, we're back. And I'm trying to keep my camera from falling over today. I think I might need a new tripod. Not 100% sure, but we just gotta not touch it. So, I got the axles cleaned up. I'm gonna tear them all down, but they cleaned up great. There's barely any road rash, crawler rash. I mean, it has some, but they're not really in that bad a shape. So not too mad about that. Next is getting the transmission and the motor out, and the chassis the rest of the way broken down. I guess we should start from the front and work ourselves back. Like, I was really debating on getting the screw kit, but these screws, like, I found a couple that have a little bit of rust on them, but nothing crazy. So I think this is going to be a multi-step cleaning process. Because the transmission is the dirtiest thing I've found so far. Like the frame rails, really. I mean, they're dirty, but not bad. The Red Cat was in much worse shape, I believe. Now this should just slide off, because I'm going to try to put, all the screws back in where they came out. So I think I found out this is easier than trying to label everything. And I still have to figure out how I want to do the body. I know I want to weather it, but I don't know if I'm going to try airbrushing it, or I really don't know what my plan is. Because new bodies are crazy. Like, the cheapest one I found that's like new is $100. And I really don't know if I want to spend $100 on a body. Because the one I have, it's not cracked, it's just scratched up, so. These little pieces, I can't lose those. That's for your wire management. So I will probably buy new links like the shocks. Sorry, I don't think I showed those earlier. The shocks cleaned up like super nice. Like they almost look brand new. I'm gonna have to pull them apart, but they look good. And Trx4 shocks are great shocks. I think I'm gonna have to take like when I take the transmission out, I think I'm gonna have to spray it down with like simple green or something. And get it cleaned up and then put it in the ultrasonic cleaner because and y'all let me know if you like this style of video of tearing stuff apart and rebuilding it. I really like doing it. It kind of shows the process. I am going to have to download the manual though to probably learn how to put some of this stuff back together. Especially when I start disassembling the transmission because it's 2-speed and I really don't know much about 2-speeds. I'm really learning a lot about 10th scale stuff altogether. And we might, while we're doing this, upgrade some of the parts and pieces to aluminum or something, just to give it a little more bling. I sound so old saying that. And the bumper mounts, I mean, they're dirty, but they're not beat up either. I just have to remember which one is the rear and which one is the front. This is rear, this goes in the rear. And servo mount. It looks like servo mount. This is funky. And I'm still debating on the electronics in it. I do have a Holmes 550 motor and a Hobby Wing 1080 ESC, so I could use that. Oh, this has 0 grease. Like when I mean 0 grease, there is none in it. We have to remember we're on C and the third one over. I can't believe there's like none. It's alright, it's a project. This is what we got. I do have another motor mount that came off something else, so we might just use that. Got C and third one over. I'm probably going to just throw this whole motor in the ultrasonic cleaner and see what happens. It'll either ruin it and we have to put a new motor in, or it's going to clean it up all nice and pretty. It's almost, I think it's sand. I'm not 100% sure that it's sand. But it seems like sand. Definitely going to have to take my mat inside and clean it. I have to keep all this separate because it's definitely got to be cleaned before I put it in the cleaner. That might be the quickest one so far. I don't know how long it's been going. 15, 20 minutes? 17 minutes? But this is, I think, the last parts I have to clean. Then we have to start figuring out what we need, what parts we need, what gears we got to replace. We'll probably do a video tearing into the axles and the transmission. That'll probably be next. I'm going to change my camera angle, I believe, for that. But yeah, I'm just going to stick this whole motor in the cleaner and hope for the best on it. But yeah, they were running this without any kind of grease, so I'm wondering what this transmission looks like. But that's it for today, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and share. And I don't know what we're going to do next. Depends on how everything goes. Probably a tear down, a rebuild. I just have to order some, probably gears and bearings. Not real sure. But thanks for watching. Everybody stay safe and have a great day.